Hello everybody. Thought I'd just do a little preview of what'll be coming up in this video. I spent a little time tuning up the trailer here. I started by painting the tongue of the trailer. The undercarriage seems fine. The frame underneath really doesn't seem all that bad for being on the road for 4 years. I also repainted or touched up almost all the paints on the interior. Doesn't take much time. That's one thing I really like about paint is you can make it look pretty much brand new with a little bit of touch up. Also, what I start the video out with is I decided to take out the 2 back rows of seats in the SUV I drive. I didn't include what it took to pull the seats out. The far back one was the most difficult, and then I built a platform, and that's what I included in the video is kind of finishing up that platform and some pictures on how I put it together in there. At the end of the video, I'm going to include some footage of me buying a new trailer. I recently bought a 6x10. In the near future, some of my upcoming videos are going to include the build out of that trailer. I didn't go into great detail of how I did every little thing in that trailer, but I do include footage of pretty much every single step that I took after I got the trailer, including pulling walls and insulating it, that sort of thing. Thanks a lot for waiting so long for my next video. I've just been very busy this summer. A lot of the places I've been staying I don't make videos of out of respect for the privacy of the people that I'm staying with, including family. Thanks a lot for stopping in, and here's the video. just a clear oil. You'll see it'll brighten up quite a bit. All right, here's Kiowa, Colorado, south and east of Denver, to take a look at this 6x10 trailer with barn doors, which is very difficult to find, it turns out. A lot of trailers with ramps, but very few and far in between when it comes to the barn doors. Going to a place called Mile High Trailers. Check that out. There's a deer out here all the way east from the mountains. Easily 60 miles from the mountains. There it is, I bet. This one on the right here. Sorry, dear. I didn't mean to run you off. We'll just park all along the side of this trailer here and go inside. All right, I just purchased a new cargo trailer, a 6x10. I'm a little overwhelmed by the size. I mean, I'm so used to the 5x8, but this thing seems monstrous. It's a foot taller because I'll be able to stand up in this. It'll be 6'1" inside there. Well, it's going to be so much more luxurious than my 5x8, but I like it quite a bit. And later I'll talk about this trailer a little bit more.